Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there, buddy. Woo! Come here, over that log. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. One of the keys to staying safe and comfortable out on the water is a well-designed fishing-specific PFD, like the NRS Chinook that I'm wearing today. The great thing about this PFD is it has a high back for today's high back sit-on-top kayaks. Great cut for making it easy to paddle. Open sides and a lower mesh makes you comfortable on the hottest days. Plenty of adjustment to layer on the coldest days.
Oh, I still got him.
Looks like Ken is hooked up. Ooh, ooh. Looks like we're both hooked up. The little hit it at the bow action. Ample storage pockets on the front, an integrated zinger for attaching pliers, nail clippers, line clippers, or scents to, and this integrated rod holder to make holding your rod easy when you're unhooking that big fish of a lifetime. So for more information on the ultimate fishing PFD, check out the Chinook at nrsweb.com.